Chapter 7, Drawing and Coloring. This chapter covers how to open paint page, drawing with the brush tool, drawing with pencil tool and colors, drawing various shapes and filling with color. Using the paint program, you can draw pictures of different shapes, sizes and width. You can also write text in your drawing. It is a very interesting program. How to open paint program? Type here to search paint desktop application. Paint program will appear. Title bar, minimize button, restore button, close button, ribbon, tools group, shapes group, color groups, drawing area, drawing with pencil tool and colors. Pencil tool, choose the size, select drawing area, left mouse button drag and hold. You want to draw the picture. Then stop. Tools group, click fill with color, color groups, choose the color, tool groups, click text, drawing area, take the cursor position, tree, select text, color, shapes group, oval, straight line, curved line, tools group, fill with color, choose the color, tools group, click text box, select the cursor position, ball, shapes group, click oval, click oval, click oval, click oval, rectangle tool, rectangle tool, rectangle tool, rectangle tool, text box, boy, select option, rectangular selection, select picture, move the left hand side, select option, rectangular selection, select the picture, left mouse button hold and drag, pencil tool, click pencil, draw flower, left mouse button hold and drag, you erase the picture, tools group, click eraser, left mouse button hold and erase, pencil tool, click pencil, tools group, click fill with color, choose the color, text box, flower, shapes group, star, fill with color, purple, text, cursor position, up a Q, star, select tree, rotate 90 degree, rotate 180 degree, rotate, flip vertical, rotate, flip horizontal, rotate, left 90 degree, crop, undo, brushes, computer, brushes, airbrush, exercise A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Brush tool make the line. Answer ticker. 2. Using eraser we can dash our drawings. Answer erase. 3. For stopping your drawing leave your dash button mouse. 4. Desired shape can be selected from dash box. Answer shape. 5. Paint program is used to dash. Answer draw and color. B. Tick for the true statements and cross for the false statements. 1. False. 2. True. 3. False. 4. True. 5. True. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. 1. Brush tool is thicker than pencil tool. 2. Many options of brushes come when you click on brushes. 3. Shape box located in the center of the top paint page. 4. The selected color will be filled inside the shape. 5. Release the mouse button if you want to stop erasing. E. Label the following boxes. These are the tools to draw. These are the different shapes you can use. These are the colors to paint. This strip is called as paint ribbon. This is the drawing area. A. Identify the name of various boxes and symbols present on the menu of the paint page. I. Brush. 2. Shapes tool. Triple I. Fill color. 4. Fill with color. B. Draw the following figures in paint program: triangle, square, circle. C. Rearrange the letters and make meaningful words: drawing, software, eraser, picture. A. Take the correct option. Question number 1. Answer booting up. Question number 2. Answer table items. Question 3. None of these. Question 4. Answer brush tool. B. Tick for the true statements and cross for the false statement. 1. False. 2. True. 3. True. 4. False. 5. True. C. Identify the name of various boxes and symbols present on the menu of the paint page. 1. Brush. 2. Pencil. 3. Shapes. 4. Color. 5. Fill color.